Hello everyone, I'm Debbie from Indonesia and I'm a growth marketer for Supa. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to Mila, your potential AI assistant for a smarter, smoother customer experience. As we know, customer experience is the backbone for any businesses, but let's face it, meeting their expectations can be challenging. And that's where AI steps in, not as a replacement for customer service or anyone's jobs, but as an ally. We'll start by exploring some common pain points in customer service, then we'll move on to how AI can address these challenges and unlock a new efficiency level. I'll demonstrate how Mila can seamlessly integrate into your workflow then. Did you know a whopping 15% of interactions with brands in Southeast Asia leave customers frustrated? That's a lot of missed opportunities. With growing customer demands, companies need to respond quickly and more efficiently. So the next question is, why are these customers frustrated? It's because 93% of customers expect companies and brands to reply within 24 hours, and that can be demanding for a small team during peak times or across different time zones. This leads to delayed responses, miscommunication, and ultimately frustrated customers. In Singapore alone, 42% of customers endure long wait times, losing their trust and loyalty. And no one enjoys being put on hold while they have a pressing issue. They'll likely abandon purchases, spread negative reviews, or switch to a new brand. That being said, the average issue takes 4.7 working days to resolve each customer issue. In today's fast-paced world, that's simply unacceptable. This can affect your revenue in a competitive and diverse market like Malaysia and Singapore, where customer loyalty is hard-earned. With so many brands competing for better services and products, you can stand out with the help of Mila. Now, those are big problems, and you might think, what does it mean for my team and myself? How do these frustrations play out on a day-to-day basis? Now, according to Moira Dorsey, head of Qualtrics XM Institute, by understanding how customers and their employees want to use AI, organizations can tailor their offerings models for their preferences, and those that do will be rewarded with increased sales, more satisfied customers, and highly engaged, productive employees. Now let's zoom in a bit. When you wake up to 100 customer messages, how do you prioritize? How do you ensure each response aligns with your brand voice? Mila can take the weight off of your shoulders. It can handle a large volume of inquiries while freeing you up to focus on growing your business. What if you lose potential sales due to a lack of follow-up? Mila can guide your customers to a different product or direct them to email you immediately. It also automates personalized follow-ups after gaining your customers' emails, nurturing leads, and boosting your conversion rates. AI can significantly reduce your wait times and improve customer satisfaction in both Malaysia and Singapore. Mila helps retain and attract new customers, driving growth and profitability. So a study is conducted by Zendesk, which shows a chart displaying consumer expectations for AI assistance in customer experience within 2 years compared to their current ratings. As we can see here, 65% of consumers have high expectations across all capabilities, particularly in answering FAQs, because they prefer self-service options and instant answers to their burning questions. They want AI assistants to handle common inquiries about product details, shipping information, and return policies more effortlessly. Then we have 55% of customers currently rate AI as good at guiding them to products they like, which means customers expect AI assistants to be their personal shopping assistants as well, helping them find products that match their tastes. They want personalized recommendations that go beyond generic suggestions, and with that, Mila is able to do it. 56% of customers rate AI to understand the product well. What's the point of AI if they're not product experts? As a business owner, this is where you'll collaborate with Mila to teach more about your products and business, training Mila from product cataloging, in-depth information about features and benefits, and many more. Mila transforms the way customers interact with your brand, making it more engaging, personalized, and ultimately more profitable. So let's head on to the demonstration. Welcome to the Mila demo. I'll walk you through its features and capabilities, and you'll see firsthand how Mila can elevate your customer interactions. Now head over to the Mila website, which is app.HeyMila.AI, and create an account using your work email address. Now you'll be redirected to the Mila dashboard, so go to the setup icon, and this is your command center where you'll be feeding Mila with information to build up her knowledge base. Now there are 5 easy ways for building Mila's knowledge. First, you have the Shopify option. Now this is optional. If you're on Shopify, you can connect your store with Mila, automatically syncing your business and product information, which means less setup time. Next, you have the PDF upload. If you don't have a Shopify store, there are 4 more options to upload Mila's knowledge base. Now this is the recommended method for starting. You want to create well-organized documents containing your company profile, FAQs, and other relevant information. So here's a structure for clarity. You have one document for the company profile that introduces you to your brand, mission, key values. Then you have your FAQs to address frequently asked customer questions with clear and concise answers. But don't forget to add information about your shipping, delivery, refunds, and exchanges. So all you have to do is just upload these files and they'll be saved automatically. Option 2, text box. You could also use this option without uploading a PDF file. Simply copy and paste your web content and product details directly into the provided text box. Option 3, link. This additional feature is dedicated to relevant links to your products, services, or other information. You could feed Mila directly with your business knowledge without copy and pasting long text. You could create another document specifically for each and every one of your links. Otherwise, you could simply copy and paste all the links one by one and import them. With every upload, you'll see the status right here on your right side. Last but not least, option 4, the Q&A format. This complements your current PDF and text box content by addressing highly specific customer inquiries which might not be readily available on your website. Think, what's your bestseller? Now this Q&A format also unlocks a hidden upselling opportunity. By anticipating these inquiries, you can strategically craft responses that answer the question and subtly highlight other products or services relevant to the customer's interest. For example, if a customer asks about your bestsellers, you can mention it while suggesting a similar product with complementary features. Other questions include, how long does it take to restock an item? Or do you offer any discounts for new customers? Now remember, your business evolves, so the next step is to check and update Mila's knowledge. Click onto this My Content icon to see what content you've uploaded. For any information that changes, simply delete the file, edit your document, and re-upload it again. Let's just say there's a question that needs to be updated. Let's go back to the FAQ. Do you offer custom embroidery or personalization options on your clothing? No, we currently do not. There's a simpler way to update this information. Go to the Q&A format and input the same question with a different answer. With all the information you submitted, it's time to test Mila. Will take around 20 to 30 seconds for Mila to process all the information and come up with a reply, but it is typically faster than your average chatbot. As you can see, you don't have to spend too much time training your customer support, as Mila will be able to communicate your brand with consistent voice, just like this one. Now let's see if Mila has updated the information to this question. And there you go. Click onto Preview and design how your chat widget would look like. Upload your company logo and fill in all the details and change the widget color to your brand color. Then it's time to verify and publish. Now copy the script into your website's HTML and turn on the widget. Once published, users can send messages and chat with your AI assistant immediately. So, congratulations! You successfully set up your Mila AI assistant. By now, you've seen how easy it is to train Mila and integrate it into your customer service workflow. Remember, the more information you provide, Mila can understand your business and serve your customers better. If you have any questions, our dedicated team is always happy to help. Reach out to us at hello@Mila.AI.